Hi folks, Stan Pakdalovich here. You can learn how individuals will perform by looking at their history. I suggest you can also get a good indication how a stock will perform by looking at its trading history. Spend the next few minutes with me and I'll prove this point using Ford Motor Company metadata reports. In my YouTube presentations entitled Improve Your Stock Market Trading Results and Day Trading Large Blocks of Shares, I introduced you to the 15-minute high-low counts report. I showed you the better time periods of the day to buy and sell Ford Motor Company shares. I also showed you how to find the better time periods of the day to trade large blocks of those shares. If this is the first time you hear about this metadata report, please look at my presentation entitled Trading in the Stock Market to learn how to use it. Here's what the initial 15-minute high-low counts report on the Ford Motor Company looked like. And here's the same report created using the latest 291 days of trading transactions ending Tuesday, January 24th, 2012. Let's go ahead and compare the information contained in the original report to what the current data shows. Let's start with the price point metadata. Here's that metadata from both reports. Compare the sequence in which all of the 15-minute time periods appear in both reports. Now, compare the count of occurrence values and associated percentage values. It's amazing to see how much the information in both reports is very much the same. Let's compare the metadata for share trading levels reached. Look at the sequence in which the 15-minute time periods appear in both reports. Now compare the count of occurrence values and associated percentage values. Again, you could see how much the information from both reports is very similar. So having completed this exercise, I believe it's safe to say you can use a stock's trading metadata to anticipate the better 15-minute time periods to buy and sell stocks. And because the metadata used is the result of processing a stock's historical trading data, then that ultimately proves you can also project how a stock will perform by looking at its trading history. I'd like to remind you that all metadata reports on the Ford Motor Company that I use in my presentations are available for free. To download them, go to the stockmarketkeywords.com site and click on the Stock Metadata button. Go to the sample report section of the page and click on the Ford Motor Company link to make your selection. These reports are in PDF format and download very quickly. Here's what's available. There's the 15-minute metadata detail report, the 15-minute metadata summary report, the 15-minute high-low counts report, which I went over today, the daily historical metadata detail report, and the daily historical metadata summary report. Well, that about wraps it up for today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see any new videos posted by me here. And don't forget to send me your comments. I enjoy hearing your opinions and any suggestions you may have for me. Stan Pakdalovich signing off. Thank you and happy trading.